The Professional Diploma of Competence in Gibraltar Financial Services is the first of its kind and is Gibraltar-centric in terms of practices, procedures and law, and has been developed in consultation with the regulator and each industry sector to provide an education award which will serve as an industry standard.
We thought it was a good idea to bring a financial services qualification. We've done a few blockchain, tax and law specific to Gibraltar, and we wanted to focus on the financial services industry as a whole. And we could actually look at the different sectors and bring them in a cross-sector capacity. So basically, if you're in insurance, learning about insurance, then you know a bit more about other sectors such as funds, banking. You could be in insurance and you would like to know a bit more about how to interpret financial statements, for example, and you've been trained purely in your insurance area. And the gaps in knowledge that we may have within the different sectors, you need specific training on, or you don't have the mentoring capacity within your firm. This brings everything together within one qualification.
The FSC says it welcomed the opportunity to collaborate on the development of the diploma, which will offer a holistic understanding of the financial services landscape in Gibraltar.
So as you know, in Gibraltar there's a variety of sectors that we regulate and a variety of sectors that are captured within the financial services industry, but we really focused on sort of both the main sectors, so the larger sectors, and also the up-and-coming sectors, the new entrants, so banking, insurance, the more traditional ones, but then, for example, the new technologies, the DLT sector, which is a relatively new area, but it is very much sort of at the forefront in everybody's, it's in everybody's sort of eye line now. So there's 7 industry sectors that are going to be covered, and also an overarching sort of introductory section which will look at what is regulation, what does the FSC do, what is the financial services legislation in Gibraltar. And that's what's really important about this qualification. It is very specific to Gibraltar. It's very easy for someone to, for example, pursue a banking qualification or an insurance qualification, and it does further an individual in terms of their studies, but it's all very theoretical, and then it doesn't have practical application in Gibraltar. This one is very specific to Gibraltar, it's Gibraltar-centric, so it will benefit those individuals who are within the industry, because it will be it will have a very positive impact on their day-to-day work.
The diploma is available to anyone working in the financial industry sector with a reference from their employer. The course starts on the 25th of May, with more information on the university's website.